Have you noticed something strange happening in the world of online traffic? Everyone is scrambling for attention on social media, burning money on ads that barely convert, creating endless content that gets ignored. And yet, there's a small group of websites quietly generating millions of monthly visitors without any of the usual struggles. Let me show you what I mean. Grow.in built a simple investment calculator. That single app gets 3.5 million monthly visitors worth $128,000 in monthly traffic value. Bankright's mortgage calculator attracts 1.4 million monthly visitors and drives 25.9% of all traffic to their entire mortgages section. Taglibros created a book recommendation quiz, 72,000 visits and 23,000 leads in the first month alone, 28% conversion rate. But here's the part that changes everything. These aren't sophisticated systems built by tech companies with unlimited budgets. These are simple interactive apps, calculators, quizzes, chatbots that regular people build. And here's the kicker. You can build the same thing in 20 minutes using just your voice. No typing, no coding, just talk to AI and watch it create professional traffic apps for you. We call this vibe coding. Let me ask you something. If you could build traffic apps for your brand in 20 minutes, apps that work 24/7, attracting visitors while you sleep, would you want to know how? And if those same apps could generate affiliate revenue by recommending products people actually need, would that interest you? And if businesses would pay you to build them the same thing once you had built these for yourself, would you take action? For most entrepreneurs, the honest answer is yes to all three. But here's the problem. When I pose this question to most people, they say, oh, I would need months to learn to code. I would need to hire expensive developers, or I would need technical skills that I don't have. Look, it is not supposed to be this way. My name is Neil Napier, and along with my business partner, Chris Munch, we have generated over $50 million across multiple online businesses. What I'm sharing with you today is different to many things that you have seen before. We've discovered that regular people with zero technical skills are building professional traffic apps using vibe coding, literally speaking to AI and having it create apps within minutes. Here's why this is important. People don't search for blog posts anymore. They search for tools. When someone needs to calculate something, check something, or get a recommendation, they use an interactive tool. And these apps and tools don't just generate traffic, they convert like crazy. Interactive calculators convert at 28 to 40% versus 2 to 5% for static forms. Quiz tools achieve 40 to 65% conversion rates. For example, Mayo Clinic's calorie calculator drives 465,000 monthly visits, which is 41.6% of the entire nutrition section's traffic. One simple app, driving nearly half their traffic to an entire content section. Now imagine building these apps for your business using just your voice. Let me show you what happened when a real person with zero technical skills did this. Kayla Hollatz wasn't a tech expert. She was a copywriter who needed more traffic. Zero programming skills, zero technical background. She spent one day building a simple quiz, a find your brand voice style quiz that helped entrepreneurs while capturing emails. The result? 3,200 leads at a 42% conversion rate, all from organic Google traffic. No paid ads, no complex funnels, just a simple quiz working 24/7. But here's the bonus she didn't expect. Because she had all this qualified traffic, at least 4 leads hired her for copywriting projects at $2,000 to $3,500 each. An unexpected $10,000 plus from people who found her through this app. Now, if Kayla can do this with vibe coding and zero technical skills, what's stopping you? And this is where vibe coding makes this possible for just about anyone. You literally talk your apps into existence. Something like build me a mortgage calculator that shows monthly payments based on loan amount, interest rate, and term. Done. Or create a quiz about fitness goals that recommends workout plans. No typing thousands of lines of code, no learning programming. Just speak naturally and let AI handle everything. But look, here's what really makes all this powerful. These apps generate 3 income streams. First, direct traffic to your brand. Every app attracts visitors searching for exactly what you have to offer. Second, affiliate revenue. Your apps recommend products through your links, creating passive income. Think about it. Someone searches, which laptop should I buy? They find your quiz. They get personalized recommendations through your Amazon affiliate links. You earn 3 to 10% commission per sale. Your quiz gets 5,000 monthly visitors. Even at 2% conversions, which is about 100 sales, you get $4.5 to $15,000 every single month. Third, once you've built apps for yourself, businesses will pay you to build them the same thing. One app, 3 income streams, built in 20 minutes using just your voice. That's exactly where White Traffic comes in. White Traffic is a 3-day live training where I will walk you through the exact system for building traffic apps using just your voice. This is not theory. You will actually build traffic apps during the training. Here's what you're going to discover in those 3 days. Day 1 is all about AI foundation and vibe coding fundamentals. This is where the magic happens. You will discover the vibe coding breakthrough that lets you literally build apps just by talking. No typing, no coding required. You will learn why custom GPTs completely fail at traffic generation and the superior alternatives that actually bring visitors to your brand. Plus, you will see how to identify high traffic, low competition opportunities in any niche. The exact research method that finds apps that are worth building. Day 2 focuses on traffic tools creation and automation. This is where you will actually build your first app. You will learn how to build calculators, quizzes, and chatbots in 20 minutes using just your voice. You will discover how to create recommendation tools that generate affiliate revenue while providing genuine value. And you will master the traffic automation systems that promote your apps across all platforms while you sleep. Day 3 is about advanced systems and scaling. Now, this is where everything comes together. You will master launching your tools across multiple platforms for maximum organic visibility. You will discover the affiliate arbitrage opportunity, which is how to build passive income through product recommendations that actually help people. And you will learn how businesses will pay you $500 to $2,000 to build them the same apps once you have built these for yourself. Plus, when you join this training today, you will also receive these valuable bonuses. First of all, you'll get 24-hour replay access worth $297, so you will never miss a breakthrough moment. Watch at your own pace, rewatch the app building demonstrations as many times as you need. Then there's access to the private Facebook community, also worth $297, where you can connect with other app builders, share your wins, and get your questions answered. You will receive complete session transcripts worth $197. Every strategy documented word for word so you can reference exact techniques without scrubbing through videos. Plus, there's Cliff Note summaries worth $197 that give you quick reference guides for instant implementation. And here's something really valuable. Your partner seat is included absolutely free worth $997. So you can bring your spouse or business partner to learn alongside you. Build your traffic empire together. Finally, we will also give you Vibe Pick, an AI-powered idea generator worth $497 that's going to help you discover what apps to build for any niche. You can use it for yourself or just give it away as a lead magnet. All of these bonuses alone are worth $2,482, but they're yours for free when you join today. Now, you might be wondering what this would actually cost. Look, if you hired a developer to build just one calculator, you would easily pay $2,000 to $5,000. We could easily charge you $997 for this training because it is that valuable. But we're not charging $997. We're not even charging $497. For this launch, you can secure your spot for just $27. Yes, $27 with a complete 3-day training plus $2,482 worth of bonuses. The training starts on December 14th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, and only participants get access. And to make this a complete no-brainer, try Vibe Traffic risk-free for 14 days. Join the training, build your first app on day 2. If you don't see how this transforms your traffic within 14 days, email us for a full refund, no questions asked. You will keep all the bonuses, you keep any money you made, We part ways as friends. Now, here's what I think will really happen. You'll build your first traffic app within 24 hours. You'll watch visitors start coming to your brand this week. You will see affiliate commissions from recommendations that your app makes. And then you'll wonder, why did you ever struggle with traffic in the first place? Just picture yourself 90 days from now. You're running 10 different traffic apps, bringing visitors to your brand daily. Your affiliate commissions are growing every single month. You have the option to help businesses at $500 to $2,000 per project. You have complete control and multiple income streams. But here's a reality. 6 months from now, do you want to be generating thousands of visitors with simple apps or still struggling to get attention online? The choice, my friend, is yours, but choose quickly. These apps are generating over 3.5 million visitors right now. They're crushing 40 to 65 conversion rates. They're creating $4,000 to $15,000 in affiliate revenue right now. You can build the same thing, but only if you take action. Don't be the person who sees others generating massive traffic with simple apps and thinks, I should have joined that when I had the chance. So click the button below and secure your spot in Vibe Traffic Training. Your traffic empire is waiting, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.